This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arunachal Pradesh. Incessant rains, breach of embankments and release of excess water from the catchment areas of neighbouring Bhutan inundated many districts in Lower Assam. The death toll due to floods and landslides has gone up to 75. The Army, NDRF and SDRF were pressed into rescue works and they have evacuated 2,000 persons. Floodwater has affected 35 lakh people in 20 districts. Barpeta, Kokrajhar, Bongaigaon, Nalbari and Dhupri are among the worst affected districts. Floodwater inundated roads, hospitals, educational institutes in many areas in Lower Assam. Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal has visited South Salmara, Mankachar district. The Asian Development Bank has sanctioned a 1,925 crore project for upgradation of power generation and distribution in Tripura. Deputy Chief Minister Jishnu Dev Verma yesterday said that an amount was recently sanctioned to the Tripura State Electricity Corporation Limited after the state government had sought ADB's assistance. He said that the project has been sanctioned for upgrading the capacity of Rokhia project in West Tripura district from 63 megawatts to 120 megawatts at an estimated cost of 699.80 crore rupees and modernizing the Gumti hydroelectric project in Gumti district at 1,225.88 crore rupees. Meanwhile, the Northeast Council has also approved sanction of 12.7 crore rupees for overhaul of the 49.15 kilometer long Ambasa-Gandachera power transmission line. Continuing his efforts towards strengthening road connectivity in the state, Arunachal Pradesh Governor D Mishra convened a high-level meeting yesterday. Deputy Chief Minister Chawna Meyan, Rural Works Minister Honchun Gangdam, Urban Development Minister Kamlung Mosang and other officials and engineers attended the meeting at Raj Bhavan. In the meeting, the governor reiterated for a concerted effort for building good road in Arunachal Pradesh. The governor said that departments must be sincere and persistent in their approach and private constructing agencies must realize their responsibilities to ensure quality of work to avoid road damages during rainy season. In Meghalaya, the state police have warned house and hotel owners that they would be charged under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act if they allow their premises to be used for drug trades. This warning came after Anti-Narcotics Task Force of Shillong police seized over 529 grams of heroin worth over 1 crore rupees from a woman and arrested her from her rented house at Madan Raiting. East Khasi Hills District Superintendent of Police C. Lingwa sought the cooperation of all citizens to eradicate the menace. Most psychotropic drugs such as heroin, cocaine and methamphetamine are smuggled from Myanmar and then sent to Manipur or Mizoram, from where they are further distributed to different parts of the northeast and other parts of the country. Gangtok, the state capital of Sikkim, is said to be linked with railways with the capitals of all northeastern states by March 2022. A senior railway official yesterday said, with this linkage, all the northeastern state capitals will be connected to the national railway network. The capitals of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and Tripura have already been connected by broad gauge rail network. Work on new broad gauge lines has taken up to connect the other state capitals. Shillong in Meghalaya, Imphal in Manipur, Kohima in Nagaland and Aizawl in Mizoram. The work is expected to complete by 2020 in Sikkim. The project of laying a broad gauge line from Sivuk to Rangpo, about 45 kilometers, was sanctioned in 2008-2009. The official hoped to bring Sikkim on the National Railways map by March 2022. In Meghalaya, a school in southwest Khasi Hills district has introduced Jensam as school uniform for girls. The school, St. Xavier's Higher Secondary School, Umoid, 10 kilometers from Mokorwat, became the first school in the state to introduce traditional dress as school uniform. St. Xavier's Higher Secondary School, Umoid, is a Jesuit institution run by the Society of Jesuit. Father Paul Coelho, principal of St. Xavier's Higher Secondary School, said the main objective of introducing Jainism as school uniform is to inspire students to love their identity and be proud of their own culture. He said that education must not alienate students from their culture and their roots. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.